Hello my fellow creators and welcome to my YouTube channel. Well, I am once again participating in the card Hoppin, a year of fun themes and techniques, and this hop is put on by the wonderful Jennifer Schoolcraft of our Handmade Happiness Facebook group. Now this month's theme is birthday, and the technique is either using glitter or gilding flakes, and I have decided to use glitter. So I am going to make a birthday card. I will be using Simon Says Stamps Birthday Bash stamp set, and I will be using these glitter jars from Arteza that I bought probably last year, maybe the year before, and I think I've only used the glitter once, so I am going to use them today. Now I went ahead and selected the glitters I will be using. So I will be using holographic magenta, neon peach, neon lemon, holographic turquoise, violet rose, and I may use the titanium silver as well. Now I went ahead and stamped out the sentiment and images using some Gina K amalgam ink, and then I cut them out with my brother's scanning cut. Once I had all my images and sentiment cut out, I laid them out to see what I wanted my layout to be. So I think this is how I want my layout to be. Now the background panel I'm using is a panel I had left over from a video in which I did alcohol marbling, so I'm using that as the background panel for this birthday card. Now I did take a picture of it before moving my images, that way I don't forget how I want it laid out. And then I am going to use my Arteza Everblend art markers to color in my large sentiment and images. Now I won't be doing any fancy ink blending because I am coloring and crafting with my left hand because I injured my right arm. So being that I'm right-handed, doing everything left-handed is a little bit slow and a little bit challenging, but I am doing it anyway. But because I am so slow at this, I'm not going to make you sit through all the coloring. So I'll finish up coloring my image and I'll be back. Alright, here is my giant birthday sentiment all colored in rainbow colors, of course. Now I'm going to go ahead and color the balloons that I have in the same colors, and I'll list the colors I used in the description box below. Once I have the balloons colored in, I will go back and cover them with some glossy accents and then with the glitter over the balloon as well. And I've got my balloons all colored in, so I am adding the glossy accents and then sprinkling the glitter on top. And I just love the way these balloons are coming out. They just sparkle so much. Now, needless to say, glitter went everywhere in my craft room. I decided to go ahead and use the titanium silver to sprinkle over the stars as well. As for placing my birthday sentiment, I've decided to pop it up on some foam squares that I had in my stash. And these are just foam squares that I bought at the Dollar Tree. Now that I have my balloons all placed where I want them, I'm going in and adding my glittery stars and then placing the word happy on the card. And you may notice that I have shifted where I placed the happy over to the left side of the panel versus the right. It just seemed to fit better with the placement of the balloons. Then I wanted to add just a little bit more sparkle, so I'm using my Spectrum Noir sparkle pen just to add some glimmer and shine to the flames of the candles. And there you have my completed card for this month's card hopping. Make sure you follow along with all the other talented creators. I'll have them listed in the description box below. Thanks for sticking around to the end. I'd be thrilled if you subscribed to my YouTube channel or followed me on any of my other social media platforms. As always, have a beautiful, safe, and creative day. Thanks for watching. Bye.